Welcome to the Biweekly Basics online presentation. This presentation is designed to give you some basic information about the upcoming University of California conversion to biweekly pay. Beginning January 20th, 2013, many UC Santa Cruz employees will convert to a biweekly pay period. To put it another way, those employees will be paid every 2 weeks instead of once per month. Let's take a look at which employee groups will be moving to the biweekly pay cycle and what that might mean for you. The first question that may come to mind is, why is UC converting to biweekly pay? As part of the university's Working Smarter initiative, the UC Path project includes a plan for employees at all UC locations to have standardized pay cycles. All UC locations are scheduled to complete their transitions to a standard biweekly pay cycle by January 2013. The standardized biweekly pay cycle provides several benefits: a systematic approach to payroll time reporting, efficient and accurate time reporting and pay for employees, fewer manual adjustments, and a reduced number of over or under payments. The UCSC campus will be transitioning to the biweekly pay cycle on January 20th, 2013. Another question you may ask is, just who is converting to biweekly pay? If your job is defined as non-exempt under the Fair Labor Standards Act, you will convert to the biweekly pay cycle. A non-exempt employee is eligible for overtime pay under the Fair Labor Standards Act, and they record their actual hours worked in a pay period. There are some employees who also report actual hours worked, even though their jobs are exempt, such as readers and tutors. These employees will also be moving to the biweekly pay cycle. The rest of UCSC's exempt employees, those who do not report actual hours worked and are not eligible for overtime, will stay on the monthly pay cycle. If you are unsure of your exemption status, you can email biweekly@ucsc.edu to get assistance. Before we begin looking at the biweekly cycles, let's take a look at the beginning of 2013. January 2nd or 8th, 2013, depending on your normal pay period, will be a normal pay day for the full month of December 2012. For those employees who will move over to the biweekly pay cycle, earnings accrued from January 1st through January 19th, 2013 will have the normal pay dates of February 1st or February 8th, depending on your normal pay schedule. The first biweekly pay period will be from January 20th through February 2nd. The pay date for this period will be February 13th. A quick look at the second pay cycle for biweekly pay will be starting on Sunday, February 3rd, 2013 through Saturday, February 16th. The pay day for this cycle will be Wednesday, February 27th. Biweekly paid employees will receive 26 paychecks per year. They will represent actual time worked in the pay period. The pay rate is hourly. Vacation and sick leave will be accrued every 4 weeks, called a quadriweekly cycle. Deductions will be split across the biweekly paychecks, and do note that 2 months out of every year will have 3 paydays. So for the first 2 biweekly pay periods, February 16th, 2013 will be the date leave accrual happens. Leave will be accrued by the number of hours worked in each quadriweekly cycle. Let's do a quick review of the paydays in January and February 2013. January 2nd or 8th will be the last full monthly paycheck before you convert to the biweekly pay cycle. February 1st or 8th is when you receive a monthly pay cycle check for work done from January 1st through the 19th. February 13th will be the payday for work done in the first biweekly cycle of January 20th through February 2nd. And February 27th will be the payday for work done from February 3rd through the 16th. To give you a better idea of the pay periods for 2013, you can download a PDF version of the 2013 biweekly pay calendar that shows the beginning and endings of pay periods, paydays, end dates of quadri-weekly cycles, as well as holidays. Although your overall earnings are still the same, getting paid on a different schedule might mean paying bills on a different schedule, so plan ahead. Examine your cash flow. Plan your expenses. Contact your lenders, banks, and landlords to reschedule automatic payments or due dates. If you find that you need or want to increase your cash flow temporarily to make the transition easier, and you contribute to a 403(b) or 457(b), you can go to At Your Service online to temporarily reduce or suspend those contributions. The campus has set up a biweekly pay website with helpful information, tools, and links. You can click the FAQ's biweekly conversion link to get more detailed answers to some of your questions. There is a transition assistance web page where you can find out if you are eligible for loans or vacation cash outs. There is a downloadable biweekly pay calculator that launches in Excel to help you in planning for the biweekly pay conversion. If you need further assistance, please feel free to email biweekly@ucsc.edu or call 831-459-4204. Thank you for watching this demonstration.